children, welcome to our Eurokids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity. And today we are going to learn number names 27 and 28. So children, let us look the number name 27. 2, 7, 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-E-V-E-N 7 27. And now children, we will look the number name of 28. 2, 8, 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 E-I-G-H-T 8 28. So children, these are the number name of 27 and 28. So now what you have to do? You have to learn the spelling of this number name and you have to make the writing practice of these words. So children, now we will move towards our next activity. So children, in our next activity, we are going to learn about sport badminton. So children, have you played badminton? So children, badminton is played using badminton racket. So badminton racket is used to play the sport badminton. So let us look the picture of badminton racket. Okay children, yes, this is the picture of badminton racket. These two are badminton racket, and children, the sport badminton is played with using the shuttlecock. So children, look here, these two are the shuttlecock. In sport tennis, we use the tennis ball, but in badminton, we use shuttlecock. So these two are shuttlecock and these two are badminton racket. And badminton sport is played using this racket and the shuttlecock. So children, now we will look the picture of badminton court. So children, let us look the picture of badminton court. So children, look, this is the picture of badminton court, and in middle there is one net, and the opponents play the badminton sport. One opponent stands on this side and another opponent stand on another side. So children, now we will look the picture of badminton player. So children, look here. She is our Indian badminton player. And what is her name? Her name is Saina Nehwal. Her name is Saina Nehwal. And she makes our country so proud. She wins so many medals, so many prizes in the sport badminton. So children, Saina Nehwal is our Indian badminton player. Look how she is playing badminton using the badminton racket and the shuttlecock, and in the middle there is one net. So children, you have to learn the name of the sport badminton, and you have to learn the name of badminton racket and shuttlecock, and the name of our Indian badminton player Saina Nehwal. So children, now we will move towards our next activity, and in our next activity we are going to review counting in 2s and 5s. So children, we will do skip counting in 2s and 5s. So children, let us do skip counting in 2s. So children, look here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So children, now in this keep counting in fives, you can learn the table of number 5. So let us quickly learn the table of 5. 5 ones is 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So children, from number 5 to number 50, it is the table of 5 and you have to learn the table of 5. So children, like this, learn the skip counting in 2s and 5 and learn the table of 2